Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe below to see more content and let me know what else you want to see. I know we're all home more right now, so I want to be able to bring some great content, quality content that you enjoy watching. So let me know below. I think we're all kind of learning how to operate a little different in the world. And I know in quarantine we've all been like pajamas. It's like, here are my morning pajamas and here are my evening pajamas. But we also want to stay kind of fresh and feeling good. Some days it's not great to just stay in your pajamas all day. Obviously, we want to go on a walk, get out in the sunshine. So I'm kind of living in like, I don't wear Lululemon, but I wear Athleta, my favorite. I'm living in Athleta gear right now and pajamas, to be honest. My boyfriend probably wishes that I was wearing lingerie more, but let's be real. That's not really the priority this moment, even though maybe it should be. So today I want to do a little bit about some hair and makeup, me in quarantine. I mean, I'm not a beauty blogger at all. God, wish I could do my makeup like the other girls here on YouTube. They're phenomenal. But I'm going to show a little bit of my day-to-day makeup. I wouldn't say my day makeup in quarantine because 98% of the time I'm not wearing any. But let's go ahead and show you. Maybe it'll be entertaining because I'm going to do a couple things I've never done before. Never done before on camera. One thing being, let me get it out. False eyelashes. Okay, I don't wear these. And in quarantine, who wants to wear them? I don't need to wear them. It's kind of weird, but now that I'm bored and I have a little bit more free time on my hands to learn new things, I decided why not order on Amazon some eyelashes, obviously adhesive to put them on, some different makeup. So this is all stuff that I got on Amazon that could be sent to me because obviously right now retail is closed. You can't get the usual stuff that maybe you want to use. In Chanel, you know, I use my CC cream. I love it. But right now I'm kind of focused on Amazon based what can get here. It's not really 2-day right now because we know it's hard to produce right now for everyone's needs and deliver. And you know, there's amazing UPS and FedEx still working during this time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But we have to be a little bit more patient. But this did arrive, not an emergency item. But right now I figured it'd be fun. Let me, for the first time ever, put on eyelashes and do my makeup and see how it turns out. And if it's bad, guess what? I'm alone. I have my dog and my boyfriend looking at me. And I think that they're bored? I think they're bored looking at me anyway. So if they don't like it, doesn't matter. Only I have to suffer and look at myself, and you guys too. So let's check it out. And I'm gonna start, again, I kind of do it my way and it works for me, with this Maybelline Dream BB cream. I usually don't use this. This is the first time I'm ever using it. Again, a lot of the products I'm using today, I'm kind of taking a chance on, and they're, look, brand new. They're not items I use every day, so it's kind of an experimental makeup day. So a lot of people use the beauty blenders. I think that's great. I'm gonna be looking here in my mirror that I have. So pardon me if that gets a little annoying. One thing I love and I use all the time is from the Balm, Time Balm. I actually, thank God I get it on Amazon now. It used to be really hard to get. I use this for under my eyes for any dark circles. And I'm even gonna contour today, y'all. And I feel like, honestly, when I do this, I feel like I'm tribal. And I should start singing like Lion King. So I have a shorter forehead, so I do it closer to the top, but people with wider foreheads can actually do it a little bit lower and blend up. And that gives a appearance of a smaller forehead. Luckily, I have like a 3-head, so I don't need to worry about that. So here, I do here to help define. Right now, especially with quarantine and not being able to work out as hard, I'm getting a little bit of a double chin, which I'm not loving, but I can define it a little bit more with the contour. So that looks good. Even below the lips, I find that that helps define the lips and make them look bigger. Then I have my lighter cream, which I'm then going to bring up toward here. So a little bit from me. I actually learned the contouring way late in the game. Everyone else was contouring, I think, for a long time. Me, on the other hand, I went into Sephora one day and I was like, okay, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I have no clue how to contour. Could you guys help me? I felt like a little embarrassed. Everyone else is contoured. Everyone knows makeup better. I didn't really grow up with a lot of makeup help, but I did go to theater school, so I learned how to make my face look theatrical, which isn't always good for day-to-day life, let's just say. So now I'm going to blend in my contour. I want to keep kind of the base of it, but blend the color within each other. I was told blend it upward with a lighter stroke. How do y'all get ready? I'm just curious. I know a lot of people are giving their face a break right now with quarantine. I was thinking of shooting all my videos with no makeup, but then I know once quarantine's over and I look back at my YouTube, I'm gonna really regret that decision. So I decided to get it together and shower and do my makeup and not be a disaster. I think during quarantine we really can use this time not only for rest, which is so important. I think so many people who have like normal desk jobs and maybe are burnt out with their job, they're embracing the rest and the family time right now, which I think is beautiful because we move so fast in this day and age, don't we? I mean, we don't know how to take a break. Even when we're taking a break, we're busy or we're stressed out. So I think this time is really one to embrace with your family and healing, sleeping more. I mean, we don't know how long it's gonna take to get back to normal, but we don't get this time back. Whether it's a short or longer amount of time, we don't get it back. So I think we do our best to make the most of it. There's gonna be ups and downs though. I had a couple really positive days, y'all, where I was feeling on top of the world, like I'm gonna be fine, like this is beautiful for the globe, we're gonna like somehow come out stronger. And then I had a day where I cried in the pillow, snot all over the pillow, where I'm like, when is it gonna end? I wanna see my friends, I miss my friends. And I do, I miss my friends. Sometimes I'm like, can I be quarantined with my girlfriends? I like a lighter under eye because I feel like it kind of camouflages the dark circles, which I think is important. Especially, I'm not getting as much sunlight right now. I mean, if I was gonna be quarantined anywhere, I wish it was, you know, on the beach in Tulum or Florida or something, just because I think it's so important to get that beach energy and that sunlight. And in New York, I can't get it. We're all just piled on top of each other. It's really hard, the social distancing, because even walking your dog, you're like, is it okay to go in the elevator? Is there gonna be someone within 2 feet of me? Are they gonna sneeze or cough? I think we're all a little paranoid. Another thing I have also is this Precisely My Brow by Benefit. So this I find to be good. I got my eyebrows microbladed because I was literally a Picasso before. I swear, one eyebrow was above the other. I felt weird and self-conscious about it, so I got them microbladed, but there's still areas that don't show dark enough, so I do have to draw those in, so then I have a little bit more of a defined brow, which I think really looks good. But I think that's good enough. So now we're gonna go ahead and work on, I'm gonna bring it back, even though I was using it as a mirror, the Natural Loss Too Faced. I wanna do some pretty eyes and have a little fun with them today. I'm usually kind of boring. When I do my makeup, I do mascara and then naked eye, and I don't really have fun with it. And now's the time in quarantine to get experimental with your makeup. So when you're out of quarantine, you go out and you're like, bam, look at me now. Anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a lighter eyeshadow on the full eye. Again, I'm not delicate at this. I know there's so many girls who probably do their makeup so like perfect, and oh gosh, I feel like I need to take a Xanax. Oh, taking this too seriously. I'm not gonna take it seriously. Should I make a cocktail right now? Does anyone want to see me do drunk makeup? Is that, comment below if you want to see me do drunk makeup. That might be entertaining. Let me know if you even enjoy this or if you never want me to do it again. I'll understand either way. Can you thumbs up the video anyway? Even if you hate what I'm doing, just for the support and love, because we're living in a time where we need all the positivity as possible and no trolling or bullying. So if you have advice on my makeup, I'm open. If you have something beautiful to say, love it even more. And if you like and subscribe, very happy. Because I'd like more followers, more subscribers. Okay, so we got a nice natural color there. Then, so I'm gonna keep this brush as my light brush. Then I'm gonna go work with my darker. Oh my gosh, frightening. It's kind of like, you know when you're taking a picture of someone else, you open your phone to take a picture, and it's awkwardly on selfie mode when you least expect it, and you have like 10 chins, and that's how I feel in parts of these videos, though. Not the most flattering, but doing my best. So now I'm going to look at this beautiful palette. I have so many options, I almost don't even know where to start. And obviously, I'm not really planning to go out tonight, so I don't have a set outfit. But we should pick the tones that we want to use, so we have some idea, and we're not just fully winging it. So I'm kind of in the mood for Spank Me. That's the color of it. It's kind of this like dark purplish brown tone. I really like that. I think that's pretty. So Spank Me. I'm gonna put that on. It's obviously not a video for children. So I'm going to put this darker color in the crease. I wish sometimes that I had bigger eyes because I want them to pop more. But makeup artists have said that they like working with my eyes as I have more of a cat eye. So I'm going to clean that up a little bit too. Let's put it in the crease. Oh my god, so much silence. I have to hear myself think. That's very loud. Anyone else have a lot of loud thoughts right now going on with the world the way it is? I want this to be interactive. Unfortunately, I guess it's not. So I'm going to keep asking myself and asking you questions that you can't answer me until this is up. But please answer me when it's up. Comment below. Let me know. Let me know. I could start singing, but then I know you'll turn the video off. Now I'm after Spank Me. There's Hard to Get. The irony that I allowed Spank Me to go on before the Hard to Get. Maybe we should have done different. This one has a little bit more sparkle, so I like that to kind of blend in here. Hard to get. Ladies, be hard to get. Okay. Pretty, pretty. Now, I have those colors. There's this Hot to Trot that adds just a nice like pop of color. I kind of want to get a little bit of that on the sides in the very corner of the eye. Hot to Trot. Okay. I'm feeling so sultry. I should tell my boyfriend to come back. He hasn't seen me wearing makeup in quite a while. Any other girls out there have guys that are like, yo babe, could you put that face back on? Could you put those extensions back in? We're all seeing too much. I mean, seriously, how are we all gonna look when quarantine is over? When our nails have grown out, I made sure to get my nails done before the quarantine started. But when our nails grow out, I don't do fake eyelashes, you know, the extensions, but when those get all grown out, hair color, waxing, and lasering, we're gonna be exposed for who we really are. Ah! I like to add it here in the crease. I think it really nicely pops the eye. And then a little bit more below the brow, just to highlight. So next, I'm going to do the eyelashes. I'm terrified. I'm not gonna lie. So I've been told two schools of thought. One is doing it without mascara first, so then your lashes are a little bit more flat. It's easier to lay them on. Otherwise, you can put your mascara first. I might do the mascara after. Then I also have this eyeliner, so I'm gonna do a little eyeliner first, actually, before. I'm most terrified about this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty scared to do eyelashes. So let me first discuss. This one comes with this handy tool here that's for precision, for picking it up. Hopefully that's gonna help me. Another thing I was told to do, and I hope I'm gonna be able to do this properly, is I was told you want to look down, because if you look up, it's gonna be impossible, right? So if you look down, you're gonna be able to place it. So I think what I'm gonna have to do when I'm doing this on camera, I can't look up, I have to look down. So I'm gonna angle this mirror actually below me where you can't really see, and that's how I'm gonna put it on. Yep, that's my tattoo, one of them. I got a few tattoos here, guys, if you're interested. Anyway, back to it. I have to put the mirror below and look down so I can place it on, as opposed to up so I can get the right angle. I need to make sure these are measured to my eye so they fit properly, and you have to take them off gently. So, I'm a little terrified, I'm not gonna lie. Did that come up in the microphone? I'm terrified. Okay, anyway, can you tell I went to theater school? So I'm gonna gently remove off of here, hopefully without destroying the lash. So we have the piece here. So I'm first going to line it up and make sure that it fits my lash line and see if I need to trim it. Have patience, have vodka, and they'll actually fit. Okay, they'll fit. All right, so next, the hard part is on the lash itself, you're going to put the glue, the lash adhesive. First, I just wanted to make sure it fit, and I'm seeing that it does fit. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to get my adhesive and I'm going to put it on the lash. Oh God, wish me luck. Okay, so this eyelash glue is white, so it's going to look a little blue when we put it on, but that's okay. So let it dry before you put it on. 20 seconds, clock. Let this dry. And again, when I do put it on, I'm going to use the mirror and put it lower, and I'm gonna look down. And I'm gonna use this device and I'm gonna hope for the best. And once I put it on, I'm gonna let it sit. So let's put it in the, I don't know why I have so much anxiety. I feel like I'm shaking as I'm doing this video. And I've already dropped it. I've already f***ed it up. Bleep. Now, one thing I learned, I could have moved it over a little bit more. I don't think I did it enough over. But you know what? We live and learn. I think it's more time for my TikTok videos, because as the sun is setting, I'm losing sun, and it's not as pretty on my face. I sing when I get nervous. I don't know if you've noticed that. So now we're going to take the next one off. Okay, and we're going to do it gently again. We have to be gentle. Gentle with the kitty cat. Okay, y'all, I'm not going to lie. I just had almost an anxiety attack because I thought it wasn't even rolling. I put this one on so effortlessly on the left eye, but I knew that was too good to be true. It was too long, and I didn't look at that fully, and it was a little deformed at the end, so I had to trim off one piece of it. And now I have to do it again. So here my perfected way of putting it on, sadly, was not. But that's okay, because we learned. So now I'm going to take the glue again, and like I said, I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to put the glue on. Okay, here we go, y'all. Push it down. Push it real good. Oh my God, look at that. So much easier. As soon as you start practicing something, I only did it once on each side, and I already got so much better at it. And again, it's not perfect, but it's not gonna be perfect, and it doesn't have to be perfect. We're in quarantine. So what is perfect right now? I'm so happy. So much better, y'all. I hear my puppy. That means that my boyfriend and my puppy are back. Let me go see. Should we go see? Milo, do you think it's pretty? I don't know if he likes it, guys. Do you like it?